Some people believe the President of the United States stands above all other government branches, including the Supreme Court. This is a misunderstanding of how power is structured in the United States. The U.S. system is designed to prevent any one person or entity from holding absolute power. To understand this, we need to examine the three branches of the U.S. government and how they interact. The U.S. government is divided into three branches: the executive, legislative, and judicial. The president leads the executive branch and enforces laws passed by Congress. Congress, the legislative branch, is responsible for writing and passing laws. It consists of two chambers, the Senate and the House of Representatives. Lastly, the judicial branch, headed by the Supreme Court, interprets laws and ensures they align with the Constitution, the supreme law of the land. A crucial aspect of the U.S. system is the concept of checks and balances. This means each branch has certain powers to limit the others, preventing anyone from becoming too powerful. For example, while the president can veto a bill passed by Congress, Congress can override that veto with a 2/3 majority vote in both chambers. Similarly, the Supreme Court can declare a law passed by Congress or an action taken by the president unconstitutional, effectively nullifying it. The Supreme Court's ability to invalidate laws or actions deemed unconstitutional is called judicial review. This power is not explicitly stated in the Constitution, but was established through the landmark case of Marbury v. Madison in 1803. Judicial review is a vital check on the other branches, ensuring they operate within the boundaries set by the Constitution. However, the Supreme Court's power is not absolute. The President, with the consent of the Senate, appoints Supreme Court justices. Furthermore, Congress can propose constitutional amendments to overturn Supreme Court rulings, though this requires a supermajority vote. A recent example of the Supreme Court's power of judicial review is the 2024 ruling on presidential immunity. The court ruled that a sitting president could be compelled to provide testimony in a criminal investigation, limiting the scope of presidential immunity. This case exemplifies the delicate balance of power in the U.S. system. In conclusion, the U.S. government operates on a principle of balanced power. No single entity, not even the president, stands above the others. The system of checks and balances, including the Supreme Court's power of judicial review, ensures that power is distributed and no one branch can dominate the others. This intricate balance is essential for a functioning democracy, safeguarding the rights and liberties of all citizens.